networker coming here, shooting the gunite. Big, completely covered in concrete after this, but it's all good. Now this was an existing Buster Crab pool, vinyl liner pool that we removed. You can see we set up all the steel. Right on the outside of the vulcanized wood. Design networker coming here, working with my boys and girls from Carlton Pools. The nice thing about it is the process that goes on with the pool company, working with them closely and setting up different crews. They have a crew for everything. They have an excavation crew. This pool didn't have to be excavated, but they have a steel crew, a plumbing crew, the gunite guys, tile guys, and they have this awesome procedure which you're going to see in this pool called Aqua Bright, which is exclusive by Carlton Pools, which is a process that gets sprayed on the inside of the pool. In a subsequent video, you're going to see how that's done as well. See how that sets up. You can see the amount of power that goes into this and how much concrete is required. What you can't see is there's a couple concrete trucks outside on the road. There's a pumping system that pumps it in through one of the trucks. And as this goes on, you can see how thick it will be. It'll be about 10 inches thick of concrete, all steel reinforced. This particular pool, because of the location of where it is, we just use the old equipment. So if you're looking to redo your pool, which is a vinyl pool which has failed, there are ways to combat extra expense. Luckily this one we didn't have to dig everything up and re-put new lines in. We just used the old existing lines, which were fine. We've compensated and used what we can. We'll stop the video right now and come back when a little bit more of the procedure is done. Alright, we are back. You can see the pool starting to take shape. Cutting in the steps. Making sure the guy on the opposite end is making sure we have the correct height. Existing decking here. Hoping to fit right on top of that shelf. You can see it on the back side. Everything gets troweled in. Awesome process. You can see how thick the concrete is, about 10 inches. Anatomy of the pool, totally cool. Has their own process throughout it. You just pull you in here, see how thick the wall is. Some areas are a foot. So cool. Stay tuned for the next segment. Alright, we're back. You can see what we have going on here. We have the shallow end right here with the steps coming in. You can see we trying to work their way towards the center of the pool. See the deep end down there? What an awesome process. See, now we have about 3 inches to play with now to put the coping on, which will be leveled with the existing patio that's in the back. That is under all this plastic. Awesome process. You see we're pumping it from about 50 yards away. Concrete truck, you can see through the woods. Pumping it through a system coming right through this line with compressed air. See what happens. They're actually inside the pool and they trowel deep end, there's a little sitting shelf. You can see the light that's built in. Behind here is where the electrical comes out on the outside of the pool. This whole decking area will be destroyed. We're going to do all brand new pavers back here. But you can see how thick the wall is. This puppy's built to last. Stay tuned for the final look of the concrete process.